Welcome back to GardenWrld, your go-to channel for all things houseplants. Today, we're diving into the lush, green world of philodendron plants. These beauties are a favorite among plant enthusiasts for their stunning foliage and easy care. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting out, stick around to learn everything you need to know to keep your philodendron thriving. Philodendrons come in many shapes and sizes, from the heartleaf philodendron to the more exotic philodendron birkin. They're known for their vibrant green leaves and can be a perfect addition to any indoor space. But what makes them so special? First, let's talk about light. Philodendrons are adaptable, but thrive best in bright, indirect light. Too much direct sunlight can scorch their leaves, while too little light can cause them to become leggy. A spot near an east or north-facing window is ideal. Next up, watering. Philodendrons prefer their soil to be consistently moist, but not waterlogged. A good rule of thumb is to water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Be sure to use a pot with drainage holes to prevent root rot. Overwatering is a common mistake, so always check the soil before adding more water. Philodendrons love humidity, making them perfect for bathrooms or kitchens. If your home is dry, consider using a humidity tray or a humidifier. They also prefer warmer temperatures, ideally between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Keep them away from cold drafts or sudden temperature changes. For soil, a well-draining mix is essential. You can use a standard houseplant potting mix with added perlite or orchid bark to improve drainage. As for fertilizing, feed your philodendron every 4-6 weeks during the growing season with a balanced liquid fertilizer. Reduce feeding in the winter when the plant's growth slows down. Pruning helps maintain the shape of your philodendron and encourages new growth. Simply trim off any yellowing or damaged leaves. Philodendrons are also easy to propagate. You can propagate them in water or directly in soil using stem cuttings. This is a great way to expand your plant collection or share with friends. Even with the best care, you might encounter some issues. Yellow leaves often indicate overwatering, while brown tips can be a sign of low humidity. Pests like spider mites and aphids can occasionally be a problem, but they're usually easy to manage with regular checks and natural insecticidal soap. With the right care, your philodendron will be a lush, green showstopper in your home. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to GardenWrld for more plant care tips. Share your philodendron care tips in the comments below, and as always, happy planting!